That's up. There's someone getting under it. Warren's under it. Yes, he's.
Welcome to Western Road Recreation Ground. Big top edge. Who's under it? Is that Simon? Simon under that.
We know that Rob's going to say a lower number than I have.
Yep, we've got good availability.
That credit, but he's normally gone. He's smashed that, hasn't he? Yeah. Big shout, big shout. He's giving it. He's giving it. Umpire's giving it. Ooh. Oh. Shot. Full ball. That is big. What's he going to do? Oh, I tell you what, full toss is nothing with the 50 in his sights. It's short and it's absolutely dispatched by Dunning. Ten to win now. Andy. So Andy on strike. Oh. Yeah. Slapped away through extra cover.